because waiting be good sex for Oga Chinedu fit be bad sex for Chukwuemeka. The person where you they do this mekwe with, it's supposed to sweet una two for body normal. I say good sex, better mekwe, the sweet mekwe, the omiamia where they find inside mekwe. It is sweet before, it is sweet during, and it is sweet after. What does that mean? You hug man or you hug woman, once you just the thought of that person, they make you wet. So that is before. So una body don't they prepped for each other. That's good sex that is about to happen. And then during, the joystick is sizable, the honeypot is, giving all it's supposed to give, the foreplay is giving all it's supposed to give. It's hot, it's steamy, it's giving what you want it to give. You're receiving, your body they sweet you, you're giving, your body they sweet you. You collect head is sweet, you give them is sweet time. You understand? So now good sex involves pleasure before, during, now they do it is sweet. Now an orgasm happens, like brother carries you to the sixth heavens, and you too, you carry brother to the sixth heaven. And so now the both of you are climaxed, that place where they call climax, right? Una two don't there. And then after una don't reach climax, come down. After una body still the sweet una. After when you think about it, after when you talk about it, after in every way, you're just the thought of it after everything is sweet. Now you have had good sex. That is not a sex to regret. That is not a sex to tell somebody, oh, where they use me, oh, this one, that one. No, you don't regret those kind of sex.
We be 89.9 Yanga FM.
You get my time this night? Do we have my time tonight? Can I have your attention, please? I forget your attention. Say anytime I tell you, anytime where you don't hear me, they speak for now. Echo for sure. Yeah, that's what it's called. Because now for this Lagos person where escort person go airports, they carry accents, they come back. So anytime when you hear me speak English, please, now my echo for sure time. Alright, so everything this up with you. My name is Sweetness, and this now whispers for 89.9 Yanga FM station way Sabi. By this time of the night, we they like to talk small so that you go disturb you also, and they make sure say we know they disturb our neighbors. So what's up? Like, how was your day? Like, how are you? Today na Woman Crush Wednesday, and I cannot categorically tell you say now only matters we concern women we go talk about today. The first segment now naked segment, and I don't get some of these questions like jokingly, but the reason why I never answer them because I could need to do like video tutorial if I want talk about that matter. Not be one person, not be two person, not be three person. Sometimes they sound like joke, but at this point it don't be very important. Say actually some of my queens know sabi how to handle a joystick with their hand. So they come out this evening, I still see one of my persons, they still ask me, say, why you don't want to teach me how to handle this joystick and all of the thing. But the truth be say, how they always tell you say joystick, they come in different sizes, but no worry yourself. Yeah, there are so many ways, there are different ways to handle the different joystick, but the major rule of the game now waiting the person wants, you go give them. But also never ever try to suffocate or choke the joystick. That joystick, it alive. You get life inside, you get veins, you get, as you go say do, you get what they call what penile fracture. You go feel break, you understand? You go stress the veins. So I'm not sure say I go feel handle that matter just by mouth, just talk like that. We're going to need to do visual tutorial where you say you go YouTube, go watch them. You understand? You go bring dildo, I go teach you. Also, I get some other questions where you say some person they tell me say a boyfriend, a joystick too big, and anytime when they try to put condom on top of the joystick, they always break. Even the ones when no break, when they can't start to they the condom go eventually break. So now I don't know if we all know say condom they actually get size. So if you just they run they go buy condom because you need a condom, you will need to start to check the size, large, medium, check the body, ask if you're buying from a pharmacy, try make you ask them the size, may they give you size direction. But another problem with people where they go buy condom now, because say for Africa here, for we as blackheads, we they consider sex as something to hide, something where they shameful, something where they make you they shame, something where they hide they do. So sometimes when they go buy condom, they need to go buy condom with boldness. It's like now when babe won't buy a contraceptive, now I guess you take hide, so give me this medication, give me that medication. You can't do like say they hide mouths to tell the pharmacist. So now you know sizes of condoms but now you know they buy according to the size. But also I also understand say you get some bros where we say their own sizes, it actually fit they very big even for the biggest size of condom. At that point in time, two of you go need to decide on your pull-out game, or the woman will always just be depending on the woman for contraception, and then cross your hand and then they don't do tumbo and hope say carry belle, or you say the man go carry STD or STI give you. Anyway, that one for the intro of the show, and also just oh god, what else? So the other issue where they there now, the way to wear, another thing why I remember say I go answer am now, how to wear a condom or how not to wear a condom. Now some guys in the heat of the moment, or some babes in the heat of the moment, they wear the condom wrong side, even when the men will be say sometimes they blow, like you try to blow air to find out the place where they pointed or not. Whether you find that side where they pointed, one of the rules of a condom that some men they fail. Sometimes you will notice say sometimes they don't wear and finish before they will come remember, they'll come drum. Calm down. I know say you use your hand take wear the thing, but please, you see that point, that's that part where the mouth of the condom they pointed, no roll the condom reach, like don't go wear the condom make it tight finish for the whole body of your, like the mouth, the tip go come tight for the tip of your own joystick. It's going to tear. It will definitely tear. You go tear. So whatever you do, just make sure say that place where they pointed, you get why they leave them. They left it for air. They left it so that the sperm, the semen go enter inside there as you ejaculate, also so that the people will be say their sperm they shoot may no go put a lot. Also remember, as you they thrust, as you they go in and out, for all the people where they do gbasgbos, say gbasgbos they different from love making. You get people where they like ta 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 ta, and you get people where they like to go slow and easy. So if you like to do ta 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 ta, try to know sabi to buy condom of your size, and also wear the condoms well. If you say ta ta ta, now your style. Right, that's about that. Wear the condom right. No go tight and finish, tighten everything finish for your joystick. Leave that place where they pointed on top, leave them there for the sake of air, space, and every other thing with gravity fit do. And if every other thing fails, get ready for a baby shower. But if you are having sex, please have sex responsibly. Be like alcohol. When we come back from the break, we'll touch more like this naked segment. We'll talk about sexual responsibility stroke irresponsibility. I'll be right back. See, I want to take this small interlude as break to find small trouble. Say my name na Sweetness, no mean say I no go talk wetin dey my mind. Welcome back. 89.9 Yanga FM station wey sabi. The show na Whispers. Because say today na Woman Crush Wednesday, and we dey hear say people wey dey reach us, dey talk say they don release Madam Aunty Comfort Emerson. They don come drop charges. I can't hear some people dey talk say they wan give her one expense paid trip to one state like that wey dey for Nigeria. Say they wan come give her tour of the state, so give her say good time, make her relax. They also say they want give her opportunity to take they earn some hundreds of thousands of naira for the state as a job opportunity. Aunty Comfort, I don't know wetin your work be, but it not also be my work to advise you. But except say your work na that work, I just want to tell you, no go. Me, I lived for that state. I lived in that state that I tell you to come and visit. The state capital is small, but you understand, you do start and end at one big roundabout like that. Like the name of a construction company that do have it. I'm not gonna call anybody's name, I'm not gonna say anything, but you know I'm saying Comfort, except say now that work as they take call you, say now that thing where they talk say now in there that not normal. If not that thing, okay, no problem. That one not go be my business. But from a girl to a girl's girl, carry your manager and let that man have a manager or a lawyer or a family member that is a male member of the family. Male. That is except no go. No go. No go. Because if we are going to follow the thing that they do say, until we hear your own side of the story, when we hear your own side of the story, then we'll call no. But if according to wetin eyewitness they talk, wey be say you tell the madam for inside the aeroplane say you not fit really read well, so now make you not come fit do that ahead. Then they say make you do so, and say you can't vex the way they talk to you, because not be crying say person not fit read or person not fit read well, not be really crying, and na true be that. They know they rate person based on whether you fit read or write. If not true be that matter, I don't know which work wey they want give you for that hundreds of thousands wey they offer you. So my sister, no go. Now update I won't give you. I know say you be also be baby, you be sabi girl, be sabi babe. I don't tell you, my sister, take some time and check whether you want forgive and just leave everything wey go. If you want get any other waka where you want waka, any sweet waka where you want waka, if they enter your DM, if you answer them, you see that one wey they talk publicly, you not see me anything, no, not go. Or if you want go, just make sure say you carry vex body, join body. You understand? I just say make I tell you that congratulations as you take come out. Something when I go like tell you, if you be person wey dey close to me, you go need to reduce how you dey vex. The vex they worry me like that too sometimes. But that violence, that one where you can't dey slap person, I can't dey dey punch person, all those kind of things, made they for no disgrace you like that, on top of saying that they find your trouble, but now they still disgrace you. So next time, I hope so you go grow, maybe see a therapist, see a psychologist, so that next time you go know how to react in that kind of situation where person they just condescend, they try press you, that they try bring you down. You understand? Normal. If you find me, you go still see me for Instagram. If you see this video anywhere, my sister, calm down, God don't bless you like this. The whole country, you pull mouth, they fight for you. No matter how I tell you one disgrace you reach. You understand? Now God's grace now go abound for you. Now wait, I just say make I talk. Now, before I go start this small market, I'll go introduce the next topic for the rest of the remaining of the hour. We'll be saying a sexual responsibility and irresponsibility. You understand? Wetin be the objective of this discussion? Now make you know say when they say make you teach pikin or make you tell pikin, make you tell young people about obloblo, make you tell them about mekwe, e no mean say you wan spoil pikin because say you dey tell am about mekwe. We go talk about that discussion when you go begin talk to your pikin about mekwe, you understand? And then you as an adult, when you don reach maybe as a teenager, as a young person, young adult in your 20s, or wey be say you never really dey mekwe anyhow, but you know about am because kids dey very smart now. We go need to talk about how to be responsible. You go need to know the sweetness of it, yes, that's my name, and the consequences of it. That and many more we go discuss. And as we enter the next few hours, we will talk about one matter we don wake us. Once again, if you dey hear me, I want make you just send me text message or WhatsApp message on 0904 821 3013. Make we relate. See, there's something where I would like make you do for me this night. As long as you dey hear the sound of my voice, maybe in past times, maybe you've not been able to do it, maybe because say you did tired by this time, like you don't tire as you don't come back from work, or maybe you did drive. But when I hear the number of people where they listen to me according to the statistics, I was a bit shocked. I don't believe them. So there's something I want you to do for me this night. If you say you did hear the sound of my voice and you get WhatsApp phone, like you get WhatsApp for your phone, I just want to make you type high sweetness. I don't care how you spell it. Spell them anyhow you want spell them, but I really interested sometimes in knowing that somebody out there, they really listen to me, especially now we be say I never start to they pick your calls, or I really interested in knowing that you're there. So I need to know, I need to hear and read. I need to know the names of the new people where we say you don't listen to me since. I know some of you now my colleagues, some of you they work for the same company, but if you hear the sound of my voice, you don't need to talk your name. Now all I'm asking for is high sweetness. You don't need to say your name. At least true call, I know they my laptop to bring them out, to bring you out. So I just want to see high sweetness. That now only thing I won't make you type. And in case you did hear me and you did wonder, ooh, she sounds so sweet and her name is Sweetness. So yes, the WhatsApp number, my WhatsApp number, send it to my WhatsApp number. It's 0904 821 3013. I want to see new people. I want to see new numbers. Now, are they used to my day ones, my Roderick, my Precious? Are they used to my Toluwala Share? Are they used to my IK from AJCT? Are they used to my Dara, my Blessing, my Afam, my LJ, my Chibuzo? To mention but a few, my Elizabeth, and even sometimes Bodman still they join us. Fumilayo, I don't know how, where she has been, but if you know say you want make your name the top of my head like this my day ones, right? I want make her they remember you steady, Mr. Favor, right? So the number, if you say you they hear me now, if you say you hear me now, if you say I don't ever make your body too sweet you, if you say as you hear me one day, you don't ever smile, you don't ever say who be this? I just want to see that high sweetness on my WhatsApp. I know say some people no still get WhatsApp, but if you get WhatsApp and you did hear me now, I want to see that text. Just say high sweetness on 0904 821 3013. 0904 821 3013. At least today na Wednesday. Crush on me, Kwano. Make I be your woman crush. Abibeko Benny. Anyways, I want to see those messages. I want to see new messages. 0904 821 3013. Also, if not only text message you go fit send me, no worry yourself, send them like that. I go find them for the other side where my tab day. 0904 821 3013. Ooh, I'm seeing a new face. I like new faces. Oh my god, he's from Ghana. Oh, I like Ghanaians. I like it. Hi, sweetness. Okay, hi to you too. Right. So 0904 Akwaba. Tele 0904 8213013. So I've been talking say for the rest of the hour. Oh my god, he's good with the compliments. Yeah. Una go dey Ghana men go come marry una women finish, and also our men they go marry from that side. Thank you so much. I say wow, oh my god, you're extraordinary, beautiful damsels. You never even see me first. Right, thank you very much and welcome. So if you know say I don't ever make your body sweet you, or as you they hear the sound of my voice you love it, I won't make you send high sweetness. Just type high sweetness. You don't need to put your name, just type high sweetness, send them to 0904 821 3013 0904 821 3013. Let me be whispering sweet things into your ears. Now let's get down to business a little bit. Talk about sexual responsibility and irresponsibility. Now we do know, right? Ooh, LJ, welcome. Mwah, mwah, mwah. That Ghana boy. Ooh, okay, that's hot. Mwah. Catch my kiss. Mwah. All right, so all of us we know say for the people wey be say they sexually active, you already know, except you're having bad sex. Now bad sex, somebody don't ask me before in my lifetime say wetin be bad sex, wetin be good sex, when is sex bad and when is sex good. Now sex normally is supposed to be normally for procreation. That is, it's supposed to be the process of to get woman to get belle and born children. But that process in itself, the way God and nature take simplify it's supposed to be a sweet process, like a bonding. Also, if you read the rest of the Bible for the New Testament, you go notice say, even for the Old Testament, you go notice at so many points in time, or blah blah count or make way turn to wahala give people, because some people became viced, some people it became their problem, because people like David, because now sweet process. So we don't need anybody. Sometimes you go hear people talk say who teach you how to do sweet or blah blah, you understand, who teach you sweet sex? No be like that. Nobody taught anybody missionary for Bible, whether you name a missionary or you no name a missionary. We know from the accounts given say, you see, for man joystick to enter inside woman honey pot, it's supposed they sweet. It do sweet. That's why there's even case of rape recorded from the early Old Testament, right? So yes, it's a sweet process, we know. However, as persons wey be say don't grow, something wey be say we know they fit tell young people where they come up, where they make them feel like, see, sometimes if you they tell them, you could be like say maybe they block them from doing something. You not fit they just tell person say not do. Back in the days when they grew up, Uchobo go talk, one famous Igbo comedian, he talk say, if you born pikin, show am the right way, show am the wrong way. Tell her wetin go happen if you follow the right way. Tell her wetin go happen if you follow the wrong way. Suggest to am the one way you go follow. Leave am make you follow the one way you go follow. Have you done your job? You don't do your job. You've done what you're supposed to do. So also, starting from the beginning, some parents they ask at what age you go tell your pikin, you go begin have that conversation about sex. Now I don't know what in the school syllabus be like right now, but when they grow up for primary school, they no teach us reproduction until secondary school. And most of us when they go secondary school back in the days, no say anytime where we say that subject or topic of reproduction they come out already, it don't they excite young people, because somehow they already know about them. So let's just say that at the age of 9 and 10, when your child, depending on the level of the smartness where your pikin take they grow and how fast where your pikin take they grow, you can't get conversations with them. Now, some of us early boomers, early breeders, some of us start to see our period at before 10 or 9, 10 and 11. Some see their periods late. So at whether the period come early or quick come, it is okay that from the age of 9, or as a matter of fact when they ask. But from 8, 9, 10 and above, now time to sit your pikin down and tell them this is how you came to this life. And as you they grow, see waiting fit happen. I don't know waiting children they take now, but their hormones they fast pass us that time. Now you go see 10-year-old pikin or less, and they think they want to have a girlfriend. They know waiting kiss be. They want to kiss a girl or kiss a boy. So at this point, you go need to have that conversation with that child. Okay? You go need to get that conversation with that child. This is how it goes. Appropriately, you're supposed to know the consequences. Some, you go surprise you. Say some young girls and young boys, they start to do mekwe as teenagers, even as underage, but they carry their self well. They not get belle, they not do anyhow. Like they started enjoying sex before, and this is not right, because we know that the adults, the consent, the age in Nigeria, we say they know throw you enter inside you. Now 18 years old, right? Forget say we they do like say we know they suffer consequences of anything for this country. But please, when you need enough time to learn as a young person. As your young people, you have teenagers now as an adult. They need enough time to learn the consequences. Now some parents they open their mouth while they talk, because when you born pikin when you are 16, by the time you're 29, you're twinning with your child. A lot of bad conspiracy theories, a lot of bad mindsets, reorganization. You're not good. You understand? Nobody say pikin not good, but let's a mistake, you were misdirected and you made a mistake. That one no be problem. But no be say you go one carry pikin head through and for inside the motherhood, why the pikin never even grew rich. So this is about having the conversation about sex with your child, right? And then when I come back, I will come talk to teenagers, the consequences, the sweetness of it, and the consequences of just having incessant and anyhow sex, right? All right, I come back. Say because saying I'm the day here anytime we're 12 midnight reach, I get the rare opportunity to wish anybody that especially within this very, very, very tight family of ours, the first happy birthday on radio, especially. And so this is to JC Talks. JC Talks is he's an experience, right? So they don't have to explain to you like, so this person used to do this, he used to do that, he do this, he do that. You just need to meet him, right? And just experience him for yourself, right? And so you go to see him for social media and you go to active 247, but JC Talks is an experience and happens to be my colleague, and now we work together. So happy birthday, JC Talks. And in this your era, easy tiger. God is going to give you ease. Nature is going to help you with wherever it is that but also yield to God and yield to nature, and everything go do all right in due time. It already soft now. You be soft boy on a normal. So happy birthday, JC Talks. Asan okay, because Odogu of the doings of the things in the younger, So happy birthday to you. Welcome back. We still day here for 89.9 Yanga FM station with Sabi. The show now whispers. My name now Sweetness, and tonight we did talk about sexual responsibility and irresponsibility. So I say make I talk to the young adults where maybe not even the young adults, because this show is rated 18. So if you never reach 18 and you listen to me, big ups to you. But if you are up to 18 and above and you get somebody way they much younger, if you are above 25 and you get person way they much younger and you know as how you go take the advice, you go feel play the tape for the person. Make it sweet. Sex is sweet, except especially when you're having the good one or the bad one. Yes, I remember now that I haven't talked about the good one or the bad one. So what's good sex? We know that good sex is the one that has a lot of pleasure in it. Good sex is pleasurable before. Good sex, it is sweet before, it is sweet during, and it is sweet after. Make I talk again. I say good sex better mekwe, the sweet mekwe, the omiamia where they find inside mekwe. It is sweet before, it is sweet during, and it is sweet after. What does that mean? First of all, the person where you they do this mekwe with is supposed to sweet una two for body, normal, granted and agreed. It is sweet una two for body. And then una body don't they need each other, una body don't they magnet each other, una body don't they talk say I want your body, your mine, so that kind of thing. Your body don't they call, your body's calling me, that kind of thing. So now I don't talk about that before, where you hug man or you hug woman, once you just the thought of that person they make you wet. So that is before. So una body don't they prepped for each other. That's good sex that is about to happen. And then during, the joystick is sizable, the honeypot is giving all it's supposed to give, the foreplay is giving all it's supposed to give. It's hot, it's steamy, it's giving what you want it to give. I'm coming to the relativity of good sex and bad sex, because waiting be good sex for Oga Chinedu, fit be bad sex for Chukwuemeka. So we'll get that. But then you understand what I'm saying by is giving 10/10 minus 0 on your side. You're receiving, your body they sweet you, you're giving, your body they sweet you, you collect head is sweet, you give them is sweet time. You understand? So now good sex involves pleasure before, during, now they do it is sweet. You people are in the heavenlies, you are everywhere, you are the sound is good, the smell is good, the rhythm is good, everything is good during. Now an orgasm happens, like brother carries you to the 6th heavens, and you too, you carry brother to the 6th heaven. And so now the both of you are climaxed, that place where they call climax, right? Una two don't there. You get my point now. And then after una don't reach climax, come down. After una body still the sweet una. After when you think about it, after when you talk about it, after in every way, you're just the thought of it after. Everything is sweet. Now you have had good sex. That is not a sex to regret. That is not a sex to tell somebody, oh, could they use me? Oh, this one, that one. No, you don't regret those kind of sex. Those kind of sex, they want to go away. Now you go miss them. Do you understand? You get my point now? All right, that's about that. And that's for good sex and for bad sex. So we're going to talk about the consequences when we come back, because I feel like I don't know if you can hear me anymore, or I am dead flat because I can't hear my music anymore. So I'll
be 89.9 Yanga FM.